Mean value theorem. Nice value theorem. Protract turtle. Oh yeah, that is a protract turtle. Solve Riemann hypothesis. I can't. Topology is just reversible category theory. Change my mind. Despite representing nothingness, 0 is bigger than half the all numbers. Pre-calculus. Teacher took points off because work is wrong, even though I got correct answer. Where is the mistake? The perfect rat. Holy shit guys, this is what peak rat looks like. The world if a plus b squared equaled a squared plus b squared. No, we are stuck. Just move around. Discrete math. 0 to the power of 0 equals 1. Because it is an empty product. Polynomials and power series. 0 to the power of 0 equals 1. Because otherwise the binomial theorem fails at x equals 0. Calculus. 0 to the power of 0 is undefined. Because the limits from each side are different. Infinity. 0. I found the man from the math problem. N factorial can be expressed as a polynomial with zeros at each non-negative integer less than n. What? N can be written as n-1, n-2, n-3, 2, 1, which are the factors to a polynomial. And as you can see, the zeros of the polynomial are at 0, 1, 2 and so on. Jesse stopped doing math for 1 decade. Simplify. Pi equals 4. Hence pi is equal to 4. Value of x has fallen 71% since purchase by Musk and name change from Twitter. Point of view. You are reading a paper from the times before latex. Point of view, you're the guy from the math problems. So you're a mathematician. Name every trig identity. Me. Everyone else at the party. Non-maths degree bashing. High school kids when they don't get to watch YouTube during math. Humanity was a mistake. I've connected the 2 dots. You didn't connect sh. I've connected them. Category theory is just mental illness. Change my mind. Ah yes, the squircle. Earth update. Removed irrational numbers. Pi is now 3. G is now 10. E is now 2.7. Find x. Here it is. Student is correct. Solve. X to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0. Solved by formula. X to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Solved by completing the square. X to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equals 0. 360. 3.6 times 10 to the power of 2. 2 pi divided by degrees. 360. I guess this is 360 in binary, but I don't feel like checking. 360 cos 0 plus I sin 0. 10. Just thought y'all would like this. Doctor, you have 424 seconds to live. Me. Bro does not know how many seconds are in a minute. The most optimal known packing of 16 equal squares into a larger square. Used. Acceptable. Circulation of this edition outside the Indian subcontinent is unauthorized. Y. F of x. Y. Man, I love linear algebra. Correct answer. Your answer. Fact. 90% of mathematicians trying to brute force Haleston numbers quit right before they find a counterexample to the Collatz conjecture. New year equals dy over dx. Me equals e to the power of x. Math question. 7 plus 5. My brain. 12. Also me. Let me just check. Behold the intersected states of America. Faraday. I found a lot about electricity and magnetism, but I don't know maths. Maxwell. Don't worry bro, I will help you. I know a joke. It's just as good as the previous two combined. Me walking out of the maths exam hall knowing that Jack is running at 567 kilometers per hour and Tom has 0.321 siblings. Square root of -1 doesn't exist? Fuck it, make a new number system. I mean it already existed though. It just wasn't yet discovered. Cause imaginary numbers are a natural way of describing the real world. So my girlfriend already exists, she's just not discovered yet. Lol, you're assuming she exists. I hope future generations would solve the hypothesis. The future generation. Smash or pass. All 690 mathematicians and scientists. Share your relationship with mathematics. Stockholm Syndrome. It held my life hostage and now I have learned to love it. Young man. In mathematics you don't understand things. You just get used to them. Me. After spending years studying math. Still don't understand things and still haven't gotten used to them. Homomorphism when straight morphism walks in. You are kidnapped by a bunch of mathematicians and tied up. Panic. They lie to you and say everything will be okay. Calm. They say let's divide him by 0. Panic. Easy tip calculator. Yeah guys, it's super easy. Me literally every second during math class. I don't even know what I don't know. L hospital. Every time you do this, a kitten dies. No. 1 + 1 = 1 can never be true. Yes. 1 + 1 = 1. Yes. 1 + 1 = 1 is possible. No. You can't just extend the definition of factorial to non-integer values. Factorial go burr. Assumptions in 99.999% of research papers. What's wrong with him? He's having an exponential crisis. I see him everywhere. Euler. The world if LC lex equals x factorial. Famous mathematician failing to solve a problem. Guy in a YouTube video with no formal math education claiming to have solved it and presenting it in a way nobody understands. When you realize you got all the math questions wrong. Boys, what is the best base system? Middle schooler me when I see letters in math for the first time. What shape are tortilla chips? Isosceles triangles. Point of view. You fell asleep in math class for 5 minutes. What is math? Math is understanding that numbers must obey God. How do numbers obey God? God never changes. And so math obeys God by never changing either. They don't know how much I love geometry. We know. You won't shut up about it. What gives people feelings of power, money, status? That math/physics question. You spent hours trying to solve it, but you felt desperate, stupid, and wanted to give up. However, after reading the textbook, you finally solved it and got the correct answer. 7 minus 7 equals what? Ancient Romans. Me proud that my 2 brain cells solved a problem in a couple hours. AI solving it in seconds. The future is almost here, boys. Assume Stokes' theorem is applicable. Assume we have a continuously differentiable 3-dimensional vector field f of x, y, z, an oriented piecewise smooth surface S, and a piecewise smooth, simple, closed boundary curve C oriented positively with respect to S. 2040 is closer than 2014. Think about that. F of x equals n. All my home is use x n element of f. How students feel about calculus. I actively, with every cell in my body, hate you. Me and my homie, after using the wrong formula, but getting the question correct, we are intellectually superior in every way. When you realize you have math test and didn't study. Did Pythagoras invent square tilings? Watch as I start an argument over philosophy of mathematics. Is there any conceivable hypothetical reality in which pi equals 3? Yes. It's called engineering. Well, how long would the pregnancy take if she had twins? 9 plus 9 equals 19 months. How many times I gotta tell you all? Whatever you do to the numerator, you also must do to the denominator. Me. Why do we have to do all of these steps when we could just do it in one step to solve the problem? The teacher. Just do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.